Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect GitHub to VS Code and authenticate in Windows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Visual Studio Code on your Windows machine. Ensure you have the latest version of Visual Studio Code installed. Open the integrated terminal by selecting View from the top menu, then Terminal. Check if Git is installed by typing Git version into. If Git is not installed, download it from the official Git website and follow the installation instructions. Once Git is installed, return to the terminal and set your Git username by typing git config global user.name your name and pressing enter. Next, set your email by typing git config global user.email your email at example.com and pressing enter. Navigate to your GitHub account in your web browser. Click on your profile picture in the upper right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Developer Settings. Select Personal Access Tokens and click on Tokens, Classic. Click on the Generate New Token button. In the Note field, enter a description for your token. Set an expiration date for your token, if desired. Under Select Scopes, choose the permissions you want to grant. For basic operations, you can select Repo and Workflow. Scroll down and click Generate Token. Copy the generated token and store it securely. Return to Visual Studio Code. Open the command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P. Type git, clone and press enter. Paste the repository URL you want to clone from GitHub. When prompted, enter your GitHub username. For the password, paste your generated personal access token. Press enter to complete the cloning process. To verify your connection, open a cloned repository in Visual Studio Code. In the terminal, run git fetch to check if everything is working correctly. If you see no errors, you have successfully connected GitHub to Visual Studio Code. Feel free to explore features like committing changes and pushing to GitHub from VS Code. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.